Hello, welcome to LSE 100. This is Dr. Karuna Saraswat Sharma. In my last lecture, I had done monohybrid cross. This is dihybrid cross today. Happy learning. A dihybrid cross is a cross between two individuals which have two traits which are different. Okay. Now we are talking about the garden pea. Garden pea, which was the plant taken by Gregor Mendel for his inheritance experiments. We have already done the monohybrid cross, which has a ratio 3:1. Now today we will study the dihybrid cross. The example is still garden pea. There are 7 contrasting characters. So these are 7 visible contrasting characters in garden peas, out of which 2 characters are different in the parent plants, but 5 characters are same. Okay, so when Mendel took 2 such plants which have 2 characters in different and 5 characters in same and made a hybrid of those 2 plants, it was called as a dihybrid cross. Okay, so now we will see the phenotype of parents. Write this in your margin. So phenotype is what you can see, the physical appearance. Phenotype of parents. Plants with yellow seed and round seed. 2 characters. And this is a plant with green seed and wrinkled seed. So suppose you take these 2 plants. This is the phenotype. Yellow seed and round seed. So it's a plant with yellow and round seed, plant with green and wrinkled seed. Genotype of parent. Yellow would be as capital Y and round would be capital R. Small y, small r, small r. Type of gametes. Capital Y, capital R, only one type of gamete. Small y, small r. Small y, small r, only one type of gamete. So when this gamete fuses with this gamete, you would get a capital Y, capital R, small r progeny. And this progeny would be the F1, first filial, and this is the genotype. And what is the phenotype? Yellow and round seed. Is it clear? So when we see the next generation, there is selfing of F1 progeny. That means first we write phenotype of parents. Since it is selfing, it will be the pollen grain of the same plant on the stigma of the same plant. The phenotype is yellow and round crossed with yellow and round. Genotype of parents Y, Y, R, R cross Y, Y, R, R. Now that we have got this, we will write the type of gametes. Gametes are always written in circles, enclosed in circles. So we have this one type of gametes. Now we draw a Punnett square for it. Please write the gametes in these two places. Okay. We just multiply this with this and write the product here. Now the ratio of these four would be the answer for the dihybrid cross. Okay. So now what is this? This is yellow round. This one yellow round. This one yellow round. This one also yellow round. Okay. Likewise we will write the products. This is yellow round. This is yellow wrinkled. This is yellow round. This is yellow wrinkled. We have a yellow round here. We have a yellow round here. Yellow round here. No, this is green and round. Okay. Then this one is green and round. This is a yellow round. This is a yellow wrinkled. This is a green round. And this is a green wrinkled. So let's count them and write the answer here. Can you count it in your notebook? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. How many wrinkled? 1, 2, 3 yellow wrinkled. How many green round? 1, 2, 3 green round. How many green wrinkled? Only 1. So what's the answer? 9:3:3:1 is the dihybrid cross ratio.